Ever feel like you're constantly battling colds while others seem to breeze through life germ-free? You're not alone. Our immune systems, our body's incredible defense force, can be silently weakened by everyday choices we make. In this video, we're diving deep into those sneaky immune system saboteurs, from the foods we eat to the stress we carry. We'll uncover the science behind how these factors compromise our immunity, and most importantly, I'm going to share practical, actionable steps you can take to fortify your defenses. Get ready to empower yourselves with knowledge because when it comes to our health, knowledge is power. Let's get started. We all experience stress. It's a natural part of life. But when stress becomes chronic, it turns into a silent saboteur, wreaking havoc on our immune system. Imagine your body as a fortress. Constant stress is like a relentless siege, wearing down your defenses and leaving you vulnerable. You see, when we're stressed, our bodies release a hormone called cortisol. Now, cortisol in short bursts is beneficial. It helps us handle immediate threats. But chronically elevated cortisol, that's a problem. It actually suppresses our immune cells, making us more susceptible to infections. So, what can we do about it? The key is to manage stress through healthy coping mechanisms. This could be anything from practicing deep breathing exercises to incorporating mindfulness meditation into your daily routine. Yoga is another fantastic option. By incorporating these practices into your life, you're not just calming your mind, you're strengthening your body's ability to fight off illness. We all know how we feel after a bad night's sleep, groggy, irritable, and definitely not our sharpest. But did you know that consistently skimping on sleep can actually weaken your immune system? It's true. Sleep is not just about resting our bodies, it's a crucial time for our immune system to recharge and repair. During deep sleep, our bodies produce proteins called cytokines, which are essential for fighting off infections and inflammation. When we're sleep deprived, our cytokine production plummets, leaving our immune system operating on a deficit. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary, cool, dark, and quiet. By making sleep a non-negotiable part of your routine, you're giving your immune system the downtime it needs to keep you healthy and strong. We are what we eat, and nowhere is this truer than when it comes to our immune system. The modern diet, unfortunately, is often laden with ultra-processed foods. Think sugary drinks, packaged snacks, and fast food. These foods are stripped of nutrients and loaded with artificial ingredients, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Now here's the problem. These dietary villains create inflammation in our bodies. And chronic inflammation? That's like a 4-alarm fire for our immune system, constantly keeping it on high alert and wearing it down over time. On the flip side, whole, nutrient-rich foods act like immune-boosting superheroes. Fruits and vegetables are brimming with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that strengthen our immune cells' ability to fight off invaders. Make your plate a rainbow of colors with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Remember, food is medicine, and by making nourishing choices, you're fueling your immune system to be its strongest. In today's digital age, it's easy to find ourselves glued to screens, leading increasingly sedentary lives. But here's the thing, our bodies weren't designed for stillness. Regular physical activity is not just about maintaining a healthy weight, it's crucial for a robust immune system. Exercise acts like a pump for our lymphatic system, a critical part of our immune system responsible for removing waste and toxins from our bodies. When we move, we help lymph fluid circulate more efficiently, carrying away those harmful substances that can compromise our immunity. You don't need to become a marathon runner to reap the benefits. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could be brisk walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, whatever you enjoy. So, get moving, get your heart rate up, and feel your immune system thanking you. Let's talk about alcohol. Now, I'm not saying you can never enjoy a glass of wine with dinner, but it's all about moderation. Excessive alcohol consumption can seriously weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. Here's how it works. Alcohol disrupts the delicate balance of our gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria that live in our intestines. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for a strong immune system, and when it's thrown off balance by alcohol, our defenses take a hit. Not only that, alcohol can impair the function of our immune cells, making them less efficient at fighting off invaders. The good news is, moderate alcohol intake, especially red wine, has been linked to some health benefits due to its antioxidant content. But the key here is moderation. For women, that means no more than 1 drink per day, and for men, no more than 2. And if you're feeling under the weather, it's best to skip the alcohol altogether and give your immune system a fighting chance. Let's clear the air about smoking. Both traditional cigarettes and e-cigarettes, they're both detrimental to your immune system. Smoking weakens our body's natural defenses in numerous ways. It damages the delicate lining of our lungs, making us more susceptible to respiratory infections. It also impairs the function of immune cells in our lungs, making it harder for our bodies to fight off invaders. Now you might be thinking, but what about vaping? It's a healthier alternative, right? Unfortunately, not quite. While vaping may expose you to fewer harmful chemicals than traditional cigarettes, it's far from harmless. Vaping has been shown to suppress immune cells in the airways and increase inflammation, making the lungs more vulnerable to infections. The bottom line is this: any form of smoking, whether it's cigarettes or e-cigarettes, compromises your immune system. If you're smoking, quitting is the single best thing you can do for your health. Remember, it's never too late to quit and reclaim your health. Our immune systems are intricate machines, and like any well-oiled machine, they require the right fuel to function optimally. Vitamins and minerals are essential for a robust immune response, and unfortunately, deficiencies are more common than you might think. One of the most crucial nutrients for immune health is vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin because our bodies produce it in response to sunlight. Vitamin D plays a vital role in regulating immune function. Other key nutrients include vitamin C, zinc, and selenium. These micronutrients act as antioxidants, protecting our cells from damage and supporting the production and function of immune cells. A balanced and varied diet is the best way to ensure you're getting enough of these immune-boosting nutrients. However, if you suspect you might have a deficiency, talk to your doctor about getting your levels checked. By prioritizing nutrient-rich foods and addressing any deficiencies, you're giving your immune system the building blocks it needs to thrive. Maintaining a healthy weight is about more than just physical appearance. It's crucial for a well-functioning immune system. Obesity is a complex condition that can increase the risk of several chronic diseases, and it also has a significant impact on our immunity. Research has shown that obesity can impair the function of both our innate and adaptive immune responses, the two arms of our immune system that work together to protect us from infection. Adipose tissue, or body fat, produces inflammatory molecules that can disrupt immune signaling and make it harder for our bodies to fight off invaders effectively. The good news is, losing even a modest amount of weight can have a positive impact on your immune health. Focus on making sustainable lifestyle changes, such as incorporating regular physical activity and adopting a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. We all know that water is essential for life, but did you know that it's also crucial for a strong immune system? Staying properly hydrated is like providing a continuous flow of support for our body's natural defenses. Water acts as a transportation system within our bodies, helping to flush out toxins and waste products that can accumulate and compromise immune function. When we're dehydrated, our lymphatic system, which plays a vital role in removing waste and transporting immune cells, becomes less efficient. This can slow down our immune response and make us more susceptible to illness. Aim to drink half of your body weight in ounces of water throughout the day. And if you're finding it challenging to meet your water goals, try adding some flavor with slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint. Antibiotics are powerful tools in the fight against bacterial infections, but their overuse and misuse have led to a growing problem: antibiotic resistance. When we overuse antibiotics, we create an environment where bacteria can mutate and become resistant to these medications, making infections harder to treat. But here's the thing: antibiotics don't discriminate. While they target harmful bacteria, they can also wipe out beneficial bacteria in our gut, disrupting the delicate balance of our gut microbiome. As we've discussed, a healthy gut microbiome is essential for a strong immune system, and when it's disrupted, our defenses can weaken. So, how do we strike a balance? Only take antibiotics when prescribed by your doctor for a bacterial infection. So there you have it, the hidden saboteurs of your immune system unmasked. Remember, your immune system is your greatest ally, constantly working behind the scenes to keep you healthy, but it needs your support. By addressing these hidden enemies, from chronic stress and poor sleep to ultra-processed foods and excess alcohol, you can reclaim your health and feel more energized, focused, and resilient. Start small. Swap that sugary soda for a refreshing glass of water or unsweetened tea. Take a break from screen time and go for a walk in nature. Prioritize sleep and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Your immune system is always there to protect you. The question is, will you protect it back?